you want me to stay here and play with you instead? Do you want me to go to work?
It's hungry.
It's hungry, yes.
Do you know pumpkin? You lost it.
Lost it.
Oh, I will.
You want blueberries?
Get the blueberries.
Blueberries, okay.
Mama,
No, not here. Hello.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, happy Thursday.
We've kidnapped 2 kids and we're keeping at our house as prisoners. Who we got here? Who was?
Who's this?
Who is this person?
Who's this? Is that Theo?
And
He's just chilling.
who's this person hiding? Say good morning, Eli. Eli. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to work. Say goodbye.
Bye, Uncle Danny.
Bye. Or do you want me to stay here and play with you? Do you want me to stay here and play with you instead? Do you want me to go to work? Do you want me to go to work? Alright, I'll go. Bye.
Aww.
Thank you. Can I wear your shoes? Why? Why? Smell my socks.
It's not smelly.
I'll take Eli to work with me. I'll just stay here and watch TV. Let me watch it.
You say bye to Uncle Danny?
You gonna say bye to me or I won't go? Say goodbye. If you don't say goodbye, I stay here. Do I stay here? Do you want me to stay here or go? Huh? Say it loud, I can't hear. Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay.
Say bye, Uncle Danny.
Bye.
Aww. Aww. He said bye, Uncle Danny. Itong isda na to guys, diba iniwan namin to sa kanila. Kasi umalis kami, nag-Pilipinas kami. Tinawag niyang Barry ang isda. What's his name? What's his name? Barry?
Chocolate.
It's Barry.
The blue.
That's Jollibee.
The blue.
That's Barry. Should we feed Barry?
It's hungry.
It's hungry, yes. Let's feed him. Come on, Uncle Danny, Barry's hungry.
Where's it? Barry? Here?
Yeah.
It's hungry. Yes.
He's hungry? No, we will just put it here. See, there's a small opening here. A small hole. See, he's hungry.
Yeah.
Joby's hungry, Bob.
In your hand? Here?
Okay.
Now put it in the hole. In the hole. Drop.
Good job. Is he eating? Is he eating? He's so cute. Wow. Nangyari sa isa. Is he full now? Where's Barry's house? That's his house, Pineapple House. Hey Theo, did you break your TV? Yeah? How did you do it? How did you break it? How did he break your TV, Eli? How did he do it? I think he threw something on it. What did you do? A toy. Nasira niya yung TV nila. Binato niya ng toy ba? TV's not broken. That one's not broken. Your TV is broken though. Eli wants to show you guys his drawing. What is it, Eli? A space with planets, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. So beautiful.
That one again.
That one's, this one?
Look at this.
This?
This.
What is it?
That's it. It's wrapped in the planet.
Ah, okay, yep.
Look at this. Look at this.
That's my mat. It's not a toy. Yeah, put it back. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Say power. Power. Where's Jollibee? That's Jollibee. Is Barry hungry?
The keeper is hungry.
No, he's not hungry. He's full. He just ate. Remember we fed him?
We got kids stuff in here because these are old Uncle Danny ones.
Is that Uncle Danny's? Okay, let's... What, Theo? Or Eli? Let's go for Eli. Hey Theo, don't break our TV.
Theo, that was Daddy's one.
Yeah. Okay, you choose Eli, okay? You gotta help me choose.
Oh, this one.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like this.
Easy.
Oh,
Oh no, what did you do to Jollibee? His cape.
I think
Here, let me put it back on.
at the end. Only at the end.
To the end? Okay. Wow, kaupo pa oh.
They're sleeping. They're sleeping.
Sleeping?
There's a house.
That's his house.
There's a house.
That's his house, that's right.
There's a house. There's sleeping there. There's sleeping house. There's sleeping house.
Do you want him to sleep in the house?
There's sleeping house.
No, don't open. Nope, 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 nope. Be careful.
There's house. There's house. One night. There's a house. There's a house now. In the house now. It's tired.
Is he tired yet? I don't think so. He's not getting in the house.
I'm not going to the house. And we'll go to the house.
Ah, he's going in. Look at him.
And we'll go to the house.
No, he's not going in the house. No.
That's for me. No, we're going. We're going. I'm going to go out there. Oh no, I got there.
That's a monkey. That's right.
Monkey. Monkey.
More monkey.
That's more monkey.
Good job.
There's more monkey. More monkey. Monkey. And more monkey. More monkey there.
More monkey.
Monkey there. Monkey. There's a monkey.
That's a monkey. Ah! What does the monkey do? That's right. Is that what the monkey do? What do you want to do next?
I'll sit down.
Okay, I'll sit down.
That's a doggy.
That's a doggy? Where?
That's a doggy.
Where?
That's
That's a doggy. Good job. Yeah. So this one? Oh, naghanap siya ng reference in the picture. Okay, come on. Do you have the doggy picture? Take the doggy picture.
doggy.
Doggy, that's right.
Doggy pizza.
That's the doggy picture. So now you know how to do it. Yeah?
The baby doggy.
That's the doggy picture.
It's a baby doggy.
It's a baby doggy?
It's a baby doggy.
Okay, here, do it.
That's a baby doggy.
Baby doggy? Puppy? It's a puppy. You okay, Eli? Yep.
That's a doggy head.
Yeah, where is the doggy's head?
The doggy head.
That's doggy's head. Good job. Do you want to put the head? Good job. Okay. Now, how are we going to do this? Here. That's the head.
That's the head.
That's the head, yes. That's the body.
I did it.
That's the head there. Do you want to put the other head on the other side? This one?
The head.
That's the head. Other way. Other way.
The white kind.
Yep. There you go. The body. Body next. Other side. Other side.
Other side.
Yes.
Okay. Alright.
Other way. And then put it here.
Yeah.
Yes. Other one, last one. Good job. It's a doggy. Yay.
Now take the frog. Frog.
A frog? Okay. Now go get all the frogs. Okay, where else?
There was frog.
Where's the other frog?
A line.
I don't know.
The head.
That's the head. What's this?
A chicken.
A chicken. How about this one?
A cow.
A cow. How about this?
Pig.
A pig. And this one?
Cat.
This one?
A doggy.
A doggy. This one?
A frog.
A frog.
More frog.
We need more frog. Hey.
And more frog there.
I know. Where is it? Where did you put it?
And I find it.
You need to find it. Go look for it.
And then more.
We need more frog.
And then more frog there.
I know. Where is it? Where did you put it? We lost it?
You lost it.
Lost it.
Oh, I will.
Go look for frog. Hey, frog, where are you? Is it there?
No.
No? Where is it then?
It's there.
I think it's... You must have left it in your house. Don't you think?
Frog.
Is it in the bag?
No.
No?
No. Is it pie?
Yeah. Go look in the bag. Is it there?
No.
No? Okay.
Is it pie?
Do you want to go home and look for it?
Frog.
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 Where are you, frog? No, it's not there. What do you want, Eli? Strawberries or blueberries?
Strawberries.
Strawberries? How about you, Theo? What do you want? Strawberry? Ah! Strawberries or blueberries? What do you want? Strawberries or blueberries? Thank you. What do you want? Awan na uupo na siya. Careful, careful. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Almost done. Almost done. Who wants strawberries? You? Who wants blueberries? You want blueberries? Blueberries, okay. Blueberries and strawberries? Yummy? I'm just washing it, okay? Almost done. Almost done. You don't want blueberries, Eli? Just strawberries for you? Okay. Alright, we're ready. Did I hear please? Did you say please already? Okay. Alright, here we go. Yes. Yes. Ready? Oh, we've got yogurt as well. That's for Eli. Yay. That's for Theo. Yummy? You sure you don't want blueberries? Okay. Did I hear a thank you? Did someone say thank you yet? That's alright. You want me to sit there?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll sit there.
Eating.
We're eating. Can Auntie Rice have some? No? Oops! It's alright, I'll get it. I'll get it. Oh, good. Keep eating. I got it.
Let me eat it.
I'll wash it first and then you can eat it, okay? It's dirty. Here we go. Okay now. Thank you. Thank you.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit.
That's water. Is it water?
That's water. Yeah. Ready?
I want strawberries.
You want more strawberries? Okay, here.
I want
No, it's alright here. Oh, blueberries. Okay, thank you. You're sharing. That's good. You gotta share with Eli. You're not eating your strawberries anyway.
Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
You good? Finish? Do you want blueberries or not? No? All finished? Do you want water? Or do you want your strawberry yogurt?
I didn't say the one I wanted the one.
Do you want the strawberry one?
Yeah.
We have, I'll let you choose, okay? Because we have strawberry and banana. Which one do you want? Good job. Are you almost finished?
Mine.
Nice. Yummy. One at a time. Yes. One at a time.
One at a time.
I know. He's eating like 4 blueberries at once. One at a time. Good job. Just one? Yes. Oh! I'm looking at you. Come on, so I can wipe your face. Did you pull? Did you pull or no? Hmm? Yay! Oops! Okay, we need to wash it. Last one? We finished?
More.
More? Okay.
Papa.
Blueberries.
Papa.
Okay, that's it, okay? No more left after that. Good boy. Good eating.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Maria.
No, not here.
Maria.
No, they're not here. Only Barry and Jollibee and Eli and Auntie Rice. Where's Auntie Rice?
There's a rice.
Where's Auntie Rice?
There's a rice.
Where's Auntie Rice?
There's a rice.
Yeah, here. Where's Uncle Danny?
There is a O.
At work. Where's Eli? Right there. Where's Puppy?
There's a probably only one.
Where's at work as well? How about Nanny?
There's a four.
At work. Everyone's at work. Everyone? Except for Auntie Rice?
There is there.
Auntie Rice is here. Looking after Theo and Eli?
There.
Yeah, that's right. Come on, finish your blueberries.
What's that?
That's
That's
blueberry.
not
That's not yucky. It's not yucky. You can eat it.
Oh,
Okay, put it in.
okay.
Put it in the bin. Yummy. Oops. Is this yucky now?
Not too yummy.
Still yummy. It's yummy. Yeah. boy. All finished? Okay. Yay, thank you. Let's clean you up. Clean your hands. Okay, all good. Water? You want water?